Today we will tour 1020 East Amberwood Drive in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this fabulous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in the highly sought-after Foothills area. This home offers a bright and open floor plan, perfect for entertaining family and friends. The spacious kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring a center island, a skylight, and an abundance of cabinet space to accommodate all your storage needs. And the living area is thoughtfully designed with built-in entertainment nooks and a cozy fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Additionally, this home boasts an internal laundry with a washer and dryer, as well as a large 3-car garage, providing ample space for parking and storage. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's www.leaseaz.com. As you can see, the bedrooms are nice and spacious and come with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. And finally, here we have the primary bedroom with a double-door entrance and a spacious bathroom. Don't let this one slip away. Apply now.